Greetings everyone, welcome to another lesson of this episode titled Mnemonic Technique to Build Vocabulary. So this is the fifth episode of this course. Let's begin. This is about me. I'm Abhinav Anand. I'm a poet, a traveler, a student of English literature from University of Delhi. I love to sing and listen to ghazals, and currently I'm watching Harry Potter series, so not so, but rate, review, recommend and share my videos. And if you have anything to say, if you have any suggestion to make, please make it in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you. So let's begin. Our first word from SSC CGL 2011 examination is lucidity. And the literal meaning is something which is clear, easy to understand. Part of speech is noun. And let's see the mnemonics that is involved here, that I have developed here. So the mnemonic says, just look, the LUC of the word lucidity. So just look means dekhna. So that look, and you can comprehend. So if you can just look and comprehend about something, that means the thing must be lucid. That is, the thing must be very easy to understand. A thing must be very clear. So like the sky is lucid. So we can say the sky is lucid, that is, sky is clear and not easy to understand. So there are two different meanings. The first is clear and the second is easy to understand. And these two meanings can actually go side by side in some cases, while in some cases it cannot. So in this case, the sky is clear is right, but the sky is easy to understand is not right. But in case if there is a problem given to you and the solution of the problem is quite clear, so you can say the solution is quite clear and the solution is quite easy to understand, the problem is quite easy to understand. So it works both ways. So that is it. And let's see, it's so clear and easy to understand. So if you read these two lines together, it reads like this: just look and you can comprehend, it's so clear and easy to understand. So there is a rhyme there, and you can learn these two lines and you'll see that you can learn the word, at least a part of it, and also you can learn the meaning of the word. So in this lecture, what I have done, I have given this the meaning, this green colored font, and the concrete meaning lies there. So wherever mnemonic techniques I have used, I have given this green colored font to the meaning of the word. So let's see the next word. Our second word is indict. It means, literally it means formally accuse or charge with a serious crime. So accusing or charging someone with a serious crime means that you are indicting him or her. And obviously this is done in quotes, so this is a picture that, relates to the word. The part of speech is verb. And let's see the mnemonic that is here. So the mnemonic here is indict rhymes with verdict. So verdict is, formally you say, okay, this is the crime that done by this person, and this is the sentence that is given to him. So that sentence is called verdict, and verdict that is laid after accusation, and there is the answer to the question. So the meaning of indict was formally accuse or accusation. So accusation is the answer to the question. So you have to understand, you have to remember that indict rhymes with verdict, and accusation is the answer to the question. Accusation is the meaning of the word indict. So let's move on to the next word. Our third word, again from the same examination, is deluge. So there are two meanings of this word. First one is a severe flood, a very heavy fall of rain. And the second one, a great quantity of something arriving at the same time. So these are the two meanings of the word. The part of speech is noun. Let's see the mnemonics that is here. So the mnemonics here is, it's the, D is pronounced as the. So the luge and huge, these two words rhyme. So you have to understand the meaning is huge, but I have put the L here in order to make sure that the word is there. I mean, the complete word is there. So it's the huge quantity arriving today for severe flood victims. So if you remember this particular sentence, you can remember the both the meanings of the word. So the first meaning being huge quantity, and the second being severe flood. So these two meanings can be accommodated in this particular line. If you can remember this line, it's the huge quantity. So the very word gives you the meaning. Deluge, the huge. So a great quantity of something. I hope this is clear. So let's move on. And before that, you can see this is a scene of a flood, and so that picture obviously enhances the meaning of the word. And that was it for it. So our fourth word, again from the same examination, is preponderance, meaning something which is predominant in influence, number, or importance. So anything which is predominant in influence, number, or importance is called preponderance. Part of speech is noun. Mnemonics here. Let's see what the mnemonic I have developed. The meaning has pre in predominant and ans in importance. So you can see it's pre. So predominant has pre, and last four words a and c ans. Here importance has ans. So you must not ponder where ponderant. So the middle word is ponder. So apart from pre and ans, the word left is ponder. So you must not ponder where ponderant. It vanished because of the influence. So again, the key word here is influence. So what we see here is the meaning has pre in predominant and ans in importance. So the meaning of the word is predominant in importance. So that is why I have marked it with green, and also influence. So if you remember this line, or if you remember that it has pre of predominant and ans of importance, if you remember that it has pre of predominant and ans of importance, so you can learn the meaning of the word in that way. And this is a picture that shows a preponderance of fashion, that is in predominant influence, number, or importance. So influence of fashion. Moving on, our fifth word is invincible, and it is also from the same examination. And invincible is a much used word, and it is usually used in relation to the superheroes. So that is one simple way in which you can understand and remember the meaning of the word. So let's see the meaning. Too powerful to be defeated or overcome. And the part of speech is adjective. So many a times this word is used with in relation with the superheroes movies that we watch, and there are many movies also titled Invincible. So the mnemonic, let's see what mnemonic we have here. The first one is, I have already discussed. Remember why superheroes are called invincible: because they are too powerful to be defeated or overcome. So there's a reason why superheroes are called invincible, and that reason lies in the meaning of the word. Obviously, that is quite obvious. So that is one way. Also invincible means invincible. So vin is it sounds like win. So somebody who cannot be defeated, who cannot be won over, invincible. So that is how also you can remember the meaning of the word, and that this is the, I guess, by far the best way I can create. So if you remember that this V is W, this V here is W, and in obviously means you cannot. So invincible becomes you cannot win over him. You cannot win him over. So that is, if you remember this, you can easily understand the meaning of the word. You easily remember the meaning of the word. So invincible, someone who cannot be won over. So that was it for this lecture, and I hope you all enjoyed it. if you have anything to say, if you have any suggestion to make, please make it in the comment section below, or please write a review for the course. And if you want me to add anything, so please write about it. So that was it for this lecture. Thanks for watching. Please leave your feedback in the section below so that I may know. Thank you.